Hello everyone, let's start with the sixth question. Find the vector equation of the plane with intercept 3, minus 4 and 2 on x, y and z axis respectively. In this question we have three intercepts 3, minus 4, 2 of a plane with respect to their axis. Now let's solve this question. Okay, it is given that we have intercept A let be equal to 3 and B equals to minus 4 and C equals to minus 2. We have assigning variables to the intercepts. Now this is the intercept form of plane. This is the equation x by a, y by b. This is the intercept form. Put the value of a, b, c in this equation. We will get x by 3 plus y minus 4 plus z by 2 equals to 1. Now solve by solving this equation. We will get this equation 4x minus 3y plus 6z equals to 12. By further solving this, let we have a equation x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and we know that according to question, if we dot product of this equation 4 I cap plus minus 3 k cap plus 6 j cap with equal to 12. Now let this is r vector dot product of this vector will equal to 12, and this is the vector from the equation of given equation. You can check that this is the required vector form, and we can also write by putting this. We can write also like this.